Hi! While it certainly is a challenge to find kitchen appliances that are worthy of your hard-earned money, it isn't impossible, especially when you have a reliable source to point you in the direction of the brands you can trust. Let this channel be that source. In preparing this video countdown of the top models, the team researched literally dozens of tools, ranking each one based on its performance, its affordability, and the reliability of its manufacturer, and also read real-life consumers' opinions about each product. Let's see which are the best models in this year.
Hello, this tutorial will show you how to use the digital control panel on your Bonavita variable temperature kettle. One of the most unique features of our variable temperature kettle is right there in the name. The temperature is variable and the choice is up to you. You can completely customize the temperature and hold it for up to an hour. We recommend the protective cover be left on the kettle base, however, we will remove it for the sake of this tutorial. If you'd like to use one of the factory preset temperatures, turn the kettle on and press the Temp Set button. Continue to press it until your desired temperature is displayed. To see which temperatures are best for certain beverages, Check out the temperature table inside the instruction manual. While these preset temperatures cannot be reprogrammed, you can manually set the kettle to a customized temperature by following these simple steps. Turn the kettle on by pressing the power button, then press the temp set button. Press the plus or minus button until you reach your preferred temperature. The number you choose will flash on the display. Once it stops flashing, this temperature is officially set. The kettle will begin to heat, and the display will show the current water temperature as it rises. If you'd like to stop the heating process at any point, just press the power button. Now that you've customized the temperature on your kettle, you can use the optional hold function to maintain that temperature for up to an hour. Once you've selected your desired temperature using the previous steps, press the hold button to activate the hold function, and a light above the button will illuminate. The kettle will then begin to heat. When the set temperature is reached, the heater will automatically turn off and on as needed to maintain the temperature for up to an hour. The current water temperature will be displayed. To ensure the hold function stays on as you're using the kettle and lifting it from the base, you must press the hold button every time you return the kettle back to the base. If you don't press the hold button, the display will show the current water temperature for 7 minutes, and then the unit will automatically power off. After 1 hour of use, the kettle will completely turn off. Thank you for using Bonavita kettles.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers with Cuisinart. This is the Cuisinart Perfect Temp electric kettle. It's 1.7 liters. It can swivel all the way around, comes off the base so that you can take it to your table and serve your guests. But the really great thing about it is it can stay off the base for 2 minutes, and when you bring it back, it remembers what you programmed it to. So there's a button on the top that you press that opens the lid that allows you to take it to the sink and fill it. There's also a filter screen inside that comes out. The element is built into the base of the unit so that it's not actually in the interior. So that is really great, especially if you have high minerals in your water. This is perfect for making teas and French press coffee. A lot of people don't know that when you make specialty teas like delicate tea or green tea, a lot of people will say that they don't like the taste of green tea because it's very bitter. But the real reason is they're actually brewing the tea at the wrong temperature. For delicate teas, you use 160 degrees, green 175, white 185, oolong 190, French press 200. For black tea, you want to be at a boil. So what you do is you just press the button that you wish, it'll light up, and you hit start, and what will happen is when it gets to the proper temperature, it'll actually be ready to use. The other thing that's really nice too is there's a keep warm feature on here. You'll notice that this kettle is cordless, and how it operates is this base, when you connect the kettle to it, is how the electricity comes to the kettle to power it. This can swivel around 360 degrees. Here's your water window, which is lit up in blue. So if you want to make the perfect cup of tea, no matter what type, make sure you get the Perfect Temp Kettle by Cuisinart.